I think I found a solution to that truck and trailer problem. I downloaded this thing called Attachment Maker for Trainz, and my plan is to make a new attachment in that drivable super adapter, a place to place the truck so that it ends up in a position in the mesh where it'll attach to the trailer properly. I basically had to create a new attachment further away, further to the back of where the thing actually attaches, so that the truck will end up. It's probably best if I draw a picture. Let me see. Hold on a second. Okay, this arrow represents this front and back arrow represents where the train attaches to another train, and of course we have the problem where the truck is the truck was right here and the trailer attaches over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the truck further back so that it attaches to the trailer. This might take a lot of trial and error though. Let me see, because this is my first time using this thing anyway. So I clicked on File, and then I clicked Open, and now I'm looking for, let's see, which file would it be in? Let's see. This PC. Maybe it's in here. N3V Games, TS12, user data, editing. Oh, it's not in here. I need to edit it first. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the file that I'm going to have to edit. I just have to click on it and click Control-Shift-E. And now this should be able to detect the folder. So I just, where's the mouse at? File, open. Gotta search for it again. It's in here somewhere. Program files, whatever x86 means. N3V Games, TS12, user data. Where is it? Oh, editing. Drivable, Freightliner, Columbia, FedEx. Vehicles, body. Not sure which one this one is. I'm not sure which one I want to do. Super Data 5, I am. I guess this one. I'll just try each one and see what it looks like. I have no idea what to do with this. I'm not sure which one. I thought this would be easier than this. But I don't even know what this is. Okay. What I know about geography is, not geography, geometry. X is vertical, Y, no wait, X is horizontal, Y is vertical. I'm guessing Z is diagonal or something. I'm not sure about that. So, I'll try to make a new attachment point. The X position should be 0 because it's on the ground. The Y position, no wait, Y should be 0 because that's height. X is length. So it's probably going to be dealing with forward or backwards position. I should make that a negative number so that the truck will be behind everything. So negative, well, it's probably going to be in meters or something on the metric system. So I'm not sure. I'll just choose a random number and then see what it looks like. Negative 3.5 is what I'll do. YC. I'm not sure. Z should probably be. Z should probably be 0 too, but I'm not really sure what Z means. Yeah, I know. Backspace is not a number. Oh. Oops. I keep doing that by accident. Okay. If I make Z 0, it looks like that puts it on the ground. So X. Well, let's try that then. I'll go to File, Save Attachment Mesh. I guess I'll save it under attachedmesh.im. Okay. Oops. I guess you can't click the X button. Okay then, let's try editing it in Content Creator Plus and see what happens with this new mesh in it. First, Control M so that it'll save the fact that, oh man, 2 errors, 0 warnings. Unable to read from a file. Shadow.tga. TAD internal copy asset could not read from source path. I do not know what any of this means. Failed to commit changes to asset due to file access error. I know what that means. That's a problem I had on Trainz Classic all the time. Okay, let's try Control Shift C then instead of Control M. For the mesh, I'm going to choose the one that I created, or at least the one I think I created. Oh, it's not on the list. What happened? I'm pretty sure I saved it. Oh, you know what? Let's just use one of these meshes and see if that's the problem, because the one that's up here says 5 meters. Maybe if I use the 1 meter one, the truck will fit on it properly. Let's try that. It's funny. I downloaded a whole program only to not use it. Okay, so I'm using this mesh then. Let's see what happens. But first, let me see if I can change the horn real quick. I gave it air horn 1, which I don't really like that well because it doesn't sound like a real horn. Oh, here's a good horn. It's actually a truck horn. Big Rig MFM. Not sure what MFN stands for, but it is indeed a big rig horn. Config file has been written successfully. Now let's try to commit it. 2 errors. Okay. Trainz mesh importer failed. Okay then. Well, just cancel that then, because I think I found the solution. Okay, I gave the truck a shorter mesh. This one, only 1 meter long versus the original 5 meters. Let's see if that fixes anything. Wow, I'm not really sure if anything's changed. Oh wait, I think something has changed. Oh no, nothing did. It changed a little bit, didn't it? Didn't it get a little, isn't it a little closer than it was last time? But still, but I think I know how to fix this. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the truck for the trailer and see if that changes anything. First, I'll delete this truck and put it away from it. Let's see. If I gave this one a shorter mesh, that might also work. So, let's pause this for a second while I go through all this. Well, it looks like the method I mentioned earlier works, and all I had to do was give these a smaller mesh. It's still a little bit too far, but I guess I'll have to accept that for now. That's the closest I can get it. And look at this. When I attach the trailer to the truck, yeah, that's what it looks like. Well, I guess this is okay, even though it's still not close enough. At least it's not, you know, floating above the ground. But still, it's still not. It's still not attached directly under that piece, though. That piece that locks the trailer in place. But I guess I'll have to accept that for now. There's no other way. Well, I guess we'll take it for a spin. First, there's something I want to do to this railroad crossing real quick. I want to put, what are those things called? Oops. Just have to put a bunch of them up there because they're not long enough. They're called concrete grade crossings. Okay, I keep clicking it. Okay. I don't think that's what it really looks like inside a subway car. This is the cab I gave it until I can find a better one. And, okay. Okay, I accidentally put the train on the railroad crossing, so the gates aren't going to go up. So let's just drive through it. Oh man, oh, I forgot to finish building the track for it to drive on. Okay then. Forget that happened. Okay. In case you're wondering where I got the engine sound for the subway car, I actually modified an existing one because it had that annoying glitch with that loud buzzing sound. So I just deleted all the sounds and replaced them with sounds that I got from a video of the same train off of YouTube. I broke the sounds up and gave each section of the sound its own name. I named them the exact same names that they appear on the file, and the result was this sound effect. The only problem is it doesn't have a Doppler effect, and you can hear it anywhere because I still don't know how to program it so that there's a maximum distance that can be heard. Nor do I know how to program a Doppler effect. Well,